go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
Hey guys, Kalila here, or Callie. I keep forgetting to say my name in these videos. Hello, welcome to Vlogmas day 7? Oh my gosh, it's been 7 straight days that I have been posting. It's so crazy because I always thought like posting every day was just like stressful and crazy, and it hasn't been for me. Maybe because I don't have to like think of content to create, because all I'm doing is literally just recording everything that I'm doing throughout the day, which is not a lot because I'm mostly just knitting. And remember how last night I said, oh my gosh, I'm going to stay up and finish this sleeve? Yeah, I didn't do that. I need to stop saying that I'm going to stay up and do stuff, because I literally cannot stay up. Like every time 10 o'clock p.m. hits, I'm like, I'm tired, I'm going to sleep. But I did get a good bit of the sleeve done this morning. I'm saying this morning as if it isn't still morning. It's like 11. Just turned 11 7 minutes ago. 11:08. Okay, 8 minutes ago. And this is how much of the sleeve that I have gotten done. It is now basically the length of the sweater, the body of the sweater itself. And I need like 10 more inches or so. So like, I don't know. No, I need like 10 centimeters or so more of the sleeve to finish, and then I'll be done with it, and then I can start the next one. So I will definitely be done with this sleeve today, and then I will try to get most of this sleeve done today as well, so that tomorrow can be the last day that I work on this sweater, and it will officially be 1 week that I've been working, that I start and finish this sweater, and you guys will know for sure because I literally show my progress every single day. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy. I can't believe I'm actually doing this. Like, what? Anyway, today is going to be a day where I am grinding on the sweater, trying to finish the sleeves. I'm going to be going live in about an hour and chilling with you guys. And what else? I don't think I have any yarn coming in today, unfortunately. If I get a surprise in the mail, I will be happy, okay? And I will for sure show you guys. And what else? Also, oh my gosh, earlier, like last week or so, no, it had to have been like almost, no, it was like last week. I received this in the mail. It is the Tunisian Crochet Handbook, A Beginner's Guide by Tony Lipsy, aka TL Yarn Crafts. It is a signed copy that I got, and oh my gosh, it is so pretty. Like, it has so many beautiful projects. Like, look at the back. Like, I don't even know if I've shown you guys this yet, but if I have, oh well. And this goes like section by section, and it is so detailed. I cannot wait to learn how to do this. Right now, I do not have the time to learn how to do another craft, but I will definitely learn. I'm excited to do that. But yeah, my day is just gonna be spent working on these sleeves, hopefully finishing both of them today. I will for sure finish one. We'll see about the next one. I can possibly finish the first sleeve on stream, but you know, let me not say anything because sometimes it just doesn't happen and I end up talking too much. But I'll try to finish this first sleeve on stream, and then I will try to get most, if not all, of the second sleeve done. Fingers crossed. If I don't get it done in this video, the second sleeve, I will get it done tonight, okay? That is, I need to get it done tonight. We will see. Anything else? I'm excited to see the advent calendar today, the yarn. Yesterday, it was like so much whiter, so much bluer. Much whiter. And it had like a speckle of pink. Like, just a speckle. It was like here and there, but it was so inconspicuous almost. So maybe this one will introduce more pink, or it will just fade into white completely. So all right, here's my theory. Maybe, you know, it went from purple up until now it's like bluish, whitish, and it turned even more white. So maybe today's own is going to be even more white and less blue, and then it will transition into all white, and then transition into a white with some colors in it to start the next transition into the next color. Huh? Right? Good idea, right? But anyway, I'm going to continue working on the sleeve, and then I will update you guys on when I finish it. I am actually so ready to be finished with this. I'm such a monogamous knitter. I don't like working on multiple projects at the same time. I don't mind starting projects at the same time. Like, okay, I start this, I probably start a sock or whatever, start a hat, but I can't like work on them at the same time. Like, I can't work on a sweater, pause it, and then work on this, pause it. Unless it's for a video, I don't like switching between projects. I just like working on one, finishing that one, moving on to the next, because I don't like feeling like I have something unfinished. You guys already know this, so I'm not even gonna go into that. Anyway, let's get to knitting.
Feeling alone, kinda misty, waiting now for you to come. It's colder again, but I know we'll be warm, sitting by the fire and dream. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above are smiling when they see you certain glow, a secret and a song, even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow. Oh, what a gift to be given. How lucky can this old heart be? And I fall into peace and silence on a very special Christmas Eve. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear. And the stars up above, they are shining with love, listening to this song playing on, listening to this song playing on.
Hey guys. Oh my gosh. Whoa, my forehead is shiny. Okay. Anyway. Oh, I am so late right now. I'm supposed to be editing this video right now, but I needed to finish the sleeve, okay? I was literally not about to come back until I finished one sleeve, okay? Like, I had to. And guess what I did? I finished a sleeve. I finished a sleeve. Do you see this? A sleeve is done on this sweater. Okay, not the side, but this side. Ah, oh my gosh. First of all, the tension is like so uneven because I would place stitch markers in them, but look at this balloony effect. Oh my gosh. You wanna know how I did it? I did magic loop. I did it, guys. I finally learned how to do magic loop properly on a sleeve. It's literally the same as how I do it on my sock. I don't know why I thought it would be different. I just forget how to do it every single time. Like, I forget how to start it. Like, you have to pull from the middle, and then like that part always confused me, but now it's no longer confusing. You know, I may have to look it up again when I work on a second sleeve, but I got it. Also, I did Italian bind off again. Look at how nice that looks. Yes, yes, okay. Don't look at the other side. I messed up a little bit, but oh, was there a hair on this? Okay, let's show it again. Look at how nice this looks. Okay, very nice. I love this balloony scrunched effect. Oh my gosh, this is making me so freaking happy. I actually got the sleeve done. I did exactly what I said I would do. And now you can really see how the sweater will look. Oh, I can't wait to block it so that all this uneven tensionness will go away. But yeah, this is what I did today. All day, worked on this sleeve, and I finished it. And I'm so happy. Oh, I'm so freaking happy. The sleeves look so good. It was so easy too. Now I'm even more confident. I learned so many techniques doing this sweater. See, each sweater that I do, I learn something more, and it just like adds to my knitting knowledge. I'm so happy. This sweater is so light. Literally, my anchor sweater is heavier, and I haven't even finished the body. And this has a sleeve done and a whole body, and it just needs one more sleeve. So tonight I will start on the second sleeve. I probably won't get that far because I will end up getting tired and going to sleep, but it's okay because tomorrow I'll spend all day on the second sleeve, and I want to finish the second sleeve tomorrow. I don't know if I'll finish it in that video. That is my goal though. So I will actually try to get as much done as possible. I'll try to get like halfway done with the sleeve today so that tomorrow I just have to do the second half and finish the bind and then finish the end of it. And yeah, let's just toss this sweater aside, make sure I didn't drop any stitches. Okay, great. Toss that aside and let's look at our day 7 Advent. Okay, so I said I think it's going to get whiter, like the blue is going to lessen and it's going to get whiter. I say whiter, but like I want to make sure you guys know I mean the color white. So it's going to get, I was gonna say mohair, but yeah, mohair. Yeah, there's mohair on my lip. It's going to get whiter and probably introduce another color. Like I saw the pink speckles, maybe I'll introduce more pink, or maybe there will just be more white until the next skeins are just white and then introduce a new color. But let's just see what number 7 has to offer us, okay? Okay. Yeah, I'm right! I'm right! Okay, sorry. Look at this! More white, less blue, introduce a new color. Should I dye yarn? Like, I'm just a genius with fades, okay? Okay, look, let me fold it. There is pink being introduced, okay? Less blue, more white, another introductory color. Hello? I need to show you guys the fade because I'm just a genius. Like, I am so excited to see tomorrow's color. Like, okay, I gotta show you guys all of them together, okay? Alrighty, this is the fade today. So this is today's color. And remember yesterday's color, it was more white and then introduced like a little bit of pinky here. So that's why I was like, okay, it's going to turn pink, and it is turning pink. Oh gosh, this is so cool. So tomorrow I'm expecting or suspecting that the next color way will be more pink and the blue will probably be totally gone and it'll just be like white and pink. So that's my guess for that color for day 8. We'll see. That just made me so excited for tomorrow's color, but also I'm just happy that I got exactly what I wanted done. Tomorrow should be the last day I'll be working on Sunday sweater, so that should be the last time you see me knitting on it. Hallelujah. We've spent 1 week straight seeing this sweater and I'm ready to work on a different project. It must be weird to some people that I only work on one project at a time, but literally I just cannot flip-flop. I have to see something finished, you know? So that is it. Let me just show you the sleeve one more time, especially this little balloony effect. It just looks so good. Oh, I love it so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new and you haven't done so already. I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new video, probably a finished sweater and a beautiful sock yarn. Okay? I say sock yarn. It's probably not even sock yarn. A beautiful Advent colorway. Okay? Bye!